No, it is actually quite rewarding inside you when you help somebody, and that's how I felt at the end when I helped this guy out. Hello viewers, welcome to a new video. So today is 7th of Jan 2022. New days. Yeah, the first snow of the year. Beautiful. White. All over. Let me show you. So I was out and about as always. I had to drive to get my booster jab, which is the third jab. I got that, so I was driving back home and I got stuck in the traffic. When I got stuck in the traffic, I noticed that a lot of cars, it was struggling to go uphill, and there was one car on the right got completely stuck, and it was a Toyota GT86. As I was going forward on the traffic, when I got next to him, I got out of the car to ask him if he was okay or does he need any help. He told me that he was stuck with the car and he was unable to go. So I told him that, you know what, let's just give it a try and let's see if we can get him out of that. He got the car started, gave the car a little rev. We kind of managed to get it out from that spot. I got in the car and I was helping him out with the steering of it, and he was helping me to push the car from the back. Somehow managed to got the car out of that way forward. The car was still getting stuck on the hills, and I was helping him out as much as I can. Few other people that came to help out. That kind of shows there's a lot of nice people around, and there's a lot of people who are willing to help. Yes, I mean, there was that car that was stuck and there was people out there. There was some people who came out of the car to help. Very generous of them.
We're always there for each other.
Are you lost, wee laddie?
And I just love the patience that they have. Even though there's a queue of traffic at the back, no one even honked for a second. If you are in a situation where you think you can help, you should always help. You never know, it could be you one day in that situation. Now, few things what I would also mention about winter is please be prepared when you're coming out in this sort of weather. Chuck in your winter tire if you know winter is on the way, and it can actually help you get moving. See, in winter driving is a bit different. Make sure you are keeping well enough safe distance. One of the things that I always do is I always keep warm clothes inside my car. I always keep a jump lid, also keep water as well. You never know when you need it. And definitely check the tires, make sure your windscreen washer fluids are all topped up and stuff. And of course, before you set off for your drive, just make sure you clean all your windows. Very important. So at the end, the car quite didn't make it to the hill, so that's when he decided to park his GT86 on the side of the road somewhere safe and continue with his journey. Yeah, then I gave him a lift, and I'm glad that I helped him out on the situation. As always guys, do make sure to give this video a little thumbs up if you have liked it. It's a real life situation that I've just shared. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. See you for next time guys. Goodbye.